Okay guys, so today I have a hair review with Hairinbeauty. So this is the package the hair came in. So excited for you guys to see what came in the box. I also love, like, on the back they provided like tips and on how to care for the hair, which I find is really helpful. So we have the wig, and they provided us with this cute clip, and they provided us with a second clip, some eyelashes, and they also provided a wig cap. This wig is a ginger wig, so I'm gonna open it and allow you guys to see this wig. Look at this color, guys. Okay, so guys, this is their T-part wig. It's a 13 by 5 T-part wig. It comes with 2 combs at the side, and we also get 1 comb at the back, and we also get some lace at the back as well. This is how the part looks. Okay, so they also provided some baby hairs, guys. Not sure if you guys could see on camera, but the track is showing here. This area, I'm seeing the track showing through, so that's already a con right there. I don't think I would be able to cover that. I wish they had put the track in the same color as this wig. The hair is 150% density. It is in the length 26 inches, and it is in the texture straight and in the color ginger, as you guys could see. I realized that these knots are very thick, so I'm gonna try and bleach these knots to get it like a lighter color, and so it could blend in more naturally. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pluck this hairline. But after I bleach this wig, I will be washing this hair out. Okay guys, so this was left in for a total of 30 minutes, but this did not get any lighter whatsoever. The knots remain the same color, so I'm just gonna wash this out with some purple shampoo, and I think I'm gonna condition it.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm just gonna give you guys a little view of everything. So this is how well I got the edges to blend, and on this side, this is the best that I could have done, because as I showed you guys from the construction, at the edges, like coming down to the sides, there is very little lace to work with, less than an inch to work with. But in this area it has a little bit more lace, so I was able to pluck and get it to blend better. Okay, overall I'm really happy with how this turned out. I finessed this wig, guys. Like when you guys saw how the wig looked when it came, I was like, I wonder if I'm gonna be able to finesse it, but I did. I'm happy about it. So if you're good in like customization and you're able to do that, you could get the wig to look like this. So I'm just gonna go straight into the pros and the cons of this wig. Okay, so my first pro is the hair is soft, and my next pro is the color. I'm so in love with this color, it's beautiful. My next pro is the wig came with no foul smell. Usually colored hair tends to have like a factory like chemical smell, but this one didn't have really much of a smell. My next pro is that the hair curls pretty well. Another pro is, if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is an HD Swiss lace. That's what they have the lace under, so it blended pretty well into my scalp. Like it blended so well. That's what I'm also happy about. Like y'all can barely, like, I don't even think y'all could see the lace though. Like it's very blended. That I'm happy about that. Another pro is the shipping came pretty quickly. And now guys, let's get into the cons of this wig. So my first con is the tracks can be seen. The tracks close to the middle part. Let me allow you guys to see. I don't know if y'all could see, if it's easily seen on camera. Yeah, so this line right here, the track, I guess it's not that visible, like unless you're standing up over me, but that's a con that I have. Another con is the knots are double wefted, so the knots are very thick. So that's why I had to do a lot of plucking in this region to get it to blend pretty well. I don't know if I would say this is a con, because then again this wig is a T-part wig, so you're not really gonna be alright, so the con is there's not a lot of lace to work with. So I mean, like at the sides I couldn't really do much. I had to do all kind of baby hairs to get it to be covered up, so that was a con for me. I wouldn't say this wig is beginner friendly. Another con is the hair dye ran when I washed this wig, so a lot of the color came out. But yeah, another con is the knots did not take to the bleach. I don't know if it's because of because the color of the wig, since it's orange, that it couldn't really bleach anymore. I'm not sure. And then again, I use a 20 volume developer. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, and that's basically all I did have to say about this wig. I really like how this look came out. It's beautiful. Did some bombshell curls, like, wow. I know I kind of made a mistake, but initially in the beginning of the video I said it was a 13 by 5. If I did not edit it out, it's actually a 13 by 4 T-part wig, so I'm sorry about that. And like I said, this wig is in 26 inches, 150% density, and it's in the texture straight, and I got these curls from the texture. And I want to end this video by saying thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you Hairinbeauty for sending me this wig. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys. Toodles.